Your weight is on your left. You're going to touch your right forward for 1. Step your right back for 2. This is a syncopated rock step backwards. Watch, don't do. You're going to rock and step forward. Yeah? So let's do just that. 7, 8. So touch forward, step back, rock and step forward. Your weight should be forward on your left. You're going to repeat that sequence. Touch, step back, rock, step forward. Where's your weight? Awesome. Let's do all that together with counts. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How do we do? Awesome. Let's move on from there. You're going to give me a lock step forward. Right, lock, right. From here, you're going to rock your left forward, recover your weight onto your right. It gives me a half triple step, left, right, left. Weight should be forward on your left. Yeah? Let's do just that again. So you just did your rock and forward, your weight is on your left. From your lock step forward. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, rock. Forward, recover, half, triple. Weight should be forward on your left, yeah? Are you there? Alright, let's add it to the top. Weight is on your left, pointing forward with the right. 7, 8. Point, step back, rock, step forward, point, step back, rock, step forward, step, lock, step, rock, recover, half, triple. How do you do? Better? Yeah? And let's do the counts. Same spot on the top. Weight is on your left. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, half, 5, and 6. Yeah? You guys want to move on from there? One more time. Good again? Alright. Weight is on your left. 20 with your right. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, half, 5, and 6. Yeah? Alright, so move on from here. I'm going to come to the back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you just did your rock, recover, half, triple. You're going to give me a triple to the right, give me a quarter turn to the left. Triple step. Your weight ends up on your right. Yeah, let's go ahead and just add that. Let's face the front of our rock forward, recover. So your weight is forward on your right. You're rocking forward with your left. This is 1 and 2, so you rock 3, 4, half, 5, and 6, quarters, 7, and 8. Weight ends up on your right. Yes? Let's add that to the top. I'm going to stay back here. Pointing forward with your right. Weight is on your left. 7, 8. Point, step back, rock and forward, point, step back, rock and forward, step, lock, step, rock, recover, half, triple, quarter, triple. Where's your weight? Awesome. Let's do that again from the top and count. Can everybody move up stuff for me? I don't fight hard, I promise. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, half, 5, and 6, quarter, 7, and 8. How'd we do? One more time, we'll move on. Oh, I heard yes. Let's go one more time. Okay, on your left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, half, 5, and 6, quarter, 7, and 8. Yeah? From here, you're going to give me a left sailor step. Who does not know what a sailor step is? Ah, okay. How do you come back home? So, real quick, a sailor step. So you're weighted on your right. You're going to step your left back. Step your right to your right side. Recover your weight to your left. It's a syncopated move. Yeah? All right. So you just came out of your side triple. Your weight is on your right. You're going to give me a left sailor, right sailor, and another left sailor with a quarter turn. What that looks like, watch, don't do. Sailor step, sailor step, sailor step. Yeah? So we're going to do just that. So your weight is on your right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. How do we do? Good? We'll move on from there, count down again. Keep going. All right. So we just did 5 and 6. You're going to give me a kickball step. Kick your right forward. Step your right next to your left, and step your left forward. The kickball step. Yeah? Let's add that to the sailing. Go ahead and face the patio. Back up front. Weight is on your right, the left sailor. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weight should be forward on your left. Is it? Awesome. Let's add that to the top. So all the way back. Weight is on your left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 sailors. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good? Want it again? Or how we doing? One more time? Yes. Weight is on your left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, you're going to give me vaudeville's, which those are just heel jacks. So you're weighted on your left. There's a full syncopated contraction, if you will. Weighted on your left, you cross your right over. Step your left to your left side. Touch your heels, your right heel to the right diagonal. We come your weight to your right. Same thing to the left. Cross, side, heel, step. So all of that together is cross, side, heel, step. Cross, side, heel, step. Just to finish the dance, you're going to give me a jazz box with a quarter turn. Cross your right over your left. Step your left back. Step your right to the right side, give me a quarter turn. Step your left forward. End of dance, ready to start over. Yeah? So just from the heel jack section, your weight is on your left. And do it with counts. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's add that to the top. Weight is on your left, going forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? How'd that ball feel? Move on to the next ball. Alright, so a tag I told you about happens right after wall 1. You're facing the patio. Your tag is a V step. All you're going to do is step your right out. Step your left out, step your right together, step your left next to your right. That is it. Just a regular V step. So let's go from, let's face the front, let's go from the top again. When we get back to the patio, we'll add the tag, which is just a V step. Yeah? Ladies on the left from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 4 to 7, and 8. The other 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we all do it? Alright, let's go ahead and do this wall. Same dance, I promise. Just a new wall. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, one step, rock, recover, half turn full with a quarter turn full with a sailor step, quarter sailor step, big ball step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, quarter, forward. How'd that wall feel? Last year? Alright, let's do that all again. How's the counts fully? Weight is on your left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Awesome. So this ball, so your restarts happen 8 counts into ball 3 and ball 7. This is ball 3. So you're going to do 8 counts, and then we're going to reswing. Let's try that. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. Step on step. Rock out triple. To the forward triple. Sailors. 3 and 4, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. How we doing? That one was good? With the restart. Did it work with the restart? You got through that? Alright. Your second restart is on ball 7. Count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over there. Same section, 8 counts, restart. Yeah? Alright, we're gonna do this ball. We're gonna do this ball. When we get to the front, we're going to keep going so you feel the transition from wall to wall. Alright? Wait a minute. I'm actually going to pick up the speed just a little bit. Weight is on your left, pointing forward. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The other 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Taylor. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7. Restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and heel jacks. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You look like you have it.